So we're here on Zaturn at Space World here. For those of you who are watching from Australia, it's a lot like Superman Escape, except it's instead of 0 to 100 in 0 to 100 in 2 seconds, 0 to 130 in 2 seconds, I'm pretty sure, and we're about to go right now. Oh! That's different.
That's fun!
Woo! Crikey! You know, I've seen these things in like other videos. There's one at Thorpe Park, and I thought it'd be like a one-trick wonder kind of thing, but that packs a punch. That really packs a punch. Thank you, thank you. That's very good. Yeah. Woohoo! Want to do that again? Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Okay. Ready, so. Oh, that's great for the park. Oh.
That is a cool ride.
I tell you what, those brakes really catch you out, don't they? Right into the harness. Ah, that was great.
Yeah.
That was good. Thanks so much. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah. All right, that's that, you guys, at Space World. Go check it out. Go check it out.